Hello students, myself Priyanshi and I will teach you class 4th Social Studies. Before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you what is Social Studies as a subject about. A social studies is a subject relating to the government, the history, the geography, the temperature, weather and the ongoing things all over the world is a subject relating to social studies. So our first chapter in social studies subject is India, a beautiful country. India is a vast country. It is the 7th largest country in the world. It is also the second most populated country in the world. So India is a very big country, a very vast country, and it is the 7th largest country in the world. It comes on the position of 7th largest country in the world. It is also the second most populated country and its population is counted on the second most populated country position in the world. It lies in the central part of the Southern Asia and the southern part of the India is the peninsula. It lies on the central part of the South Asia and the southern part of the India is a peninsula. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west and the Indian Ocean in the south. The India is surrounded from the three sides. From the east it is surrounded by Bay of Bengal. From the west it is surrounded with the Arabian Sea and from the south it is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. In the north, India is protected by a very high mountain ranges. From the north side, India is protected by very high mountain ranges. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea are Indian islands. There are two Indian islands. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island that is in Bay of Bengal and second is Lakshadweep Island that is in Arabian Sea. These both are Indian islands. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Kanyakumari is on the most top, which is the southernmost tip of the mainlands of India. So students, I hope you all have understood these two paragraphs. So reread the two paragraphs, revise it and learn on which position the word comes, what is the population of country, on which side the Indian peninsula is, from all the three sides the India is surrounded by which seas or ocean, on north side what comes, and the two Indian islands and the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Thank you students.